This tutorial will walk you through how to replace filters in your AquaTru Carafe Purifier. Your AquaTru will let you know when it's time to replace your filters by illuminating the Change Filter indicator light and the light next to the filter that needs changing. Please note that all 3 filters have different filter lives. There may be times when you only need to change 1 or 2 filters at the same time. Start by removing the tap tank to access the filters. Next, push up on the filter lock of the filter that needs to be replaced. Using the filter removal tool, pull out the old filter. Install the new filter by sliding the filter along the guided area. Push in fully and then lock in place by pressing down on the filter lock until you feel it snap into place. Once you have installed the new filter, you will need to press the filter reset button located on the control panel. Press and hold for at least 5 seconds until the indicator light turns off. This step turns off your filter indicator light and resets it to track the life of the new filter, alerting you when it's time to change it again. If you are changing out a filter before your change filter indicator light has come on, you will need to follow different instructions in order to reset your filter life. You can find these instructions in your product manual. After installing a new filter, always discard the first 2 tanks of water the AquaTru produces to flush and prime your new filter. You may notice some bubbles and even cloudiness in the tap water tank when you use it for the first time. This is simply the air that has been trapped in the new filter escaping. Once you have completed 2 full cycles, give your tap tank and glass carafe a quick wash with soap and water. Fill up the tap water tank one more time and place both reservoirs on the base to start purifying. Thank you for being a member of the AquaTru family. We hope you continue to enjoy the convenience of making pure, delicious water right from home without the plastic waste. If you have any questions, our customer support team is standing by to assist you.